Hello everyone. In this video, I'll just take you through the Domino symmetrical cluster configuration. So this particular feature was introduced with Domino 10, which really helps to maintain the Domino clusters in sync by maintaining the folder symmetry. With Domino 10, when you enable this feature, you need to add the nodes.ini parameter, that is d10 underscore enable underscore repair equals to 1, which isn't needed if already your Domino servers are upgraded to 11.01 or running on some ever version. And also you need to add two more server tasks to the nodes.ini of all the cluster-made servers. The first one is the auto repair, which looks for missing files. That is, if a mail file is missing across any of the cluster nodes, it is just identified and a good replica copy is created. And apart from it, the auto repair task also is capable of identifying if at all any database is corrupted. So any such corruption messages in the console is just noticed, and then a fix up is initiated. In case the fix up is not able to fix that particular database, then it is just renamed to something as damaged file, and then a good copy is just created from one of the available cluster node servers. And after n number of days, the damaged file is deleted. So, so this is how the server task after addition of those two particular parameters looks like. And apart from it, once you are just done with the nodes.ini configuration, you need to create a cluster configuration document and configure the required options. So as a prerequisite, you also need to ensure that all the cluster-made servers have the same DIOS configuration and the minimum DIOS object size. They have the databases in the same directories. All the databases are having identifiable names, and also they have the same properties and replication settings. So apart from this, once you are configured this particular feature, you also have a set of commands to take control of it. Suppose you want to dynamically enable or disable the repair, you can do that and just check out the missing files or list those files, or just run a dynamic repair on a database, and also to view the configurations. So now let me just take you through a quick demonstration by enabling this feature. I have taken a mail cluster which is comprising of 3 Domino servers running on the version 12. So I don't really need to add the parameter, that is d10 underscore enable underscore repair equals to 1. Then I browse to the cluster configuration. Then I click on add cluster configuration. I choose the Domino cluster, and that now populates the cluster members. Then I move on to the symmetry tab. I specify if I need to maintain symmetry for all folders or just to any specified folder. For example, I'll just specify for the mail directory that I have, and this is the way how I add it. And after you add it, you will find the folder getting displayed over here. Then you decide what your automatic repair is going to do. Is it going to fix the missing file, or it just list out those things for you? And then you specify the scan interval, that is by default 15 minutes. If I click on fixing, then it allows me to change as well. And then also you can decide whether the automatic repair is gonna fix is going to fix your files also in case of any corruptions. And then those damaged files are removed by default in 28 days. And then I move to the tuning. These are all the repair task related parameters which stays by default with those values. In case of any specific problem and you are just into the debugging mode, you can do possible changes to it. And then I go ahead and save and close it. So this part is done. Then I go and just I can make use of the command set config server task, and I need to specify that I just need those two tasks, the auto repair and the repair cleanup, and I can just go ahead and send it across to all my cluster servers. So I have just gone it and send it. After you have sent it, you can just go ahead and restart the cluster made servers. And after the restart, you would notice that the repair task should be up and enable, and it would start maintaining the symmetry for all the specified folders across all the cluster made servers. I hope you would have liked the video. Thanks for watching.